Let's log some billable work for your client. Billables are the building blocks of every invoice, so this one's important. Here we go. On your client's page, find the Billables panel. This is where all of their billable work lies. Tap New Billable to add a single piece of work, like an appointment, a job, or an hour of your time. Choose the day the work happened. You can pick any day from the calendar. Add a short name for the billable, so you and your client know exactly what it covers. Enter the cost. JollyBilling can fill this in automatically from your default rate, so most of the time you can simply leave it as it is. Need to add detail? Drop a note on the billable. It's perfect for capturing anything you'll want to remember later. If this work repeats, set up a series. JollyBilling will add the billables across the dates you choose, all at once. Tap Save, and your billable appears in the list, ready to be invoiced whenever you are. Great, every billable you log here flows straight into your invoices and your reports. Keep them up to date, and billing becomes effortless.